Hi, Crafty friends. I have a small little Target haul for you. So I thought that I would share. Now, my Target is pretty picked over. I haven't been in a few weeks. I was out of town and then I came home and I was just busy doing stuff. I haven't been able to get there. So a lot of the cute things I see are picked over at mine, but I'm going out of town and I'm going to go check down by my mom's house and see if they have some cute stuff because I haven't seen like the bow wrapping paper. Like this is the only two that I could find. I know that there's tissue paper and some other like little Harry Potter things. Mine has none of that. But I picked up this one that says Happy Holidays because it's green and pink. It's still cute. I like this size. It doesn't take up too much room and it's great for, wrapping small things. And then I picked up this one because this is not just holiday, it could be anything. It's just gold polka dots. So I picked up those two. And then I found these. They're craft fillers. And there's 12 bows in here. So I picked up a few because I'll probably put some in Happy Mail. I don't know, but I thought like these are cute colors, probably colors I would probably use the most. The gold is a little dull, but I think that you could take some rub and buff on the gold and like brighten it up if you wanted to. I'll open up one so we can see what they're like. But I feel like 12 for $1 is a good deal. They're good size. These are great for the holidays. Not just Christmas. You can use them anytime because of the colors. Like they're Christmassy colors, but not really. Like I'm thinking like gingerbread. Like I said, I think I can take some rub and buff and make this like a brighter gold if I wanted to. You get the pink, the red, the teal, and the silver. I just think that these are great. I hadn't seen anybody haul these. There could be, and I could have just missed it, but these are really cute. In that section, they also had this sequin mix, which is like a starburst, and it's basically the same color. It's pink, gold, white, and like a minty color, maybe a purple. So I found a couple of those, and then I got just one of these silver and gold stars. I do have a lot of stars in my collection, but I still thought that this was cute. So got those. I picked up these. I mean, yes, I have dies that will make these. But for like last second little, you can put so many things in here. Like I could put all those bows in one of these if I wanted to. Like it's not too big or too small. I feel like it's a decent size little pillow box. And I liked the colors. I think they had a couple different styles, but I picked up these ones that are a little bit more neutral. So there's that. You get how many of these? 5 for $1? I feel like that's a pretty good deal. So there's those. I found some new spoons. I've had a lot of people ask me, because I'll put these in swaps often, where I've gotten these spoons, and I always get them at Target, usually. Every now and then I'll get them other places, but I've gotten ones with little ghosts on them. I've gotten ones with flowers. I feel like I've got some, I think I've gotten ones with leaves on them, so now I have stars, and I feel like they're good to throw in with a sequin mix. If you're doing a tea swap, if you're doing a hot cocoa swap, a coffee swap, anything like that, anything that would require a spoon. I just think that they're cute. They're usually always gold, but I have quite a few different spoons in my stash. They did have some tea steepers as well. They had like a little house and I think like maybe a snowflake. These were the only spoons I seen. I would love to get ones with little snowflakes, but I did not see, or like anything like a Santa, snowman, anything Christmassy, but I did not see those. So these, I mean, I could use stars at any time of the year. They are Christmassy, but again, it could be anytime. I got a little candle. It's got little skiers and it's marshmallow whip. But it's just like a little cup. It's just really cute. Yeah, it'll go in my stash. It'll go for something, but it smells really good. Now, these were really picked over. This was the only kind left. They had one other one. They had a different wrap on there, but I grabbed the skier snowboarders. I'll probably put it in my son's boxes. I also picked up these. So these say $5, but these rang up $3 because I did scan them just to see. But and I know that they're Hishi beads. You can get these things so much cheaper, but these were odd colors, like colors I haven't really seen before. I'm thinking gingies, cookies, you know, I don't know. I just haven't seen a lot of these colors. White I can always use, pink I can always use, and then I picked up these pretty blue ones. And then you get like silver and gold beads, which I will use. Also, this one also has, let's see, this has snowflakes in it. So you get a couple snowflake charms as well. Oh, looks like you get 4. So you get 2 of the metal ones and then 2 of these little resin ones. Let's see if there's one. I don't know if there's any other colorways. These are the only ones that were in my store. I don't think this one has charms. Oh. No, this one doesn't have any charms. That sucks. But I also like these containers, so like I will reuse these containers for other things once these Hishi beads are gone, or if I transfer these into a bigger container, I will reuse these for little embellishment boxes or something. So that kind of sucks that you get charms in one and not the other ones. That's kind of dumb. Also, if you've seen other colors, let me know, because mine only had these 2 colors. I did find they have these little monogram chains as well. I found an L, which was surprising. There was only one, but I didn't see anybody, like they had, I think there was Z, there might be Y, like there just wasn't much left. Except for L. So I did pick it up because I never see L. What I'll do with it, I don't know. And then last but not least, I found these in a clearance section. I wish that I would have seen these before I did like a cozy book swap, but I figured I'll keep these for next year. I'm a big reader anyway, so I think that these are cool. They were only 90 cents, and yeah, I like all the little, I like the baddie for books. That's really cute. This is cute. I don't know. You get 5 different ones, 90 cents. I'll probably put them like on my Kindle case. They did also have clear Kindle cases, and I didn't pick one up, and I probably should have, because then I could swap it out for like every holiday. I could have like a cozy fall one. I mean, I think they were, I don't know if they were $3 or $5. If they were $3, then I would snatch them up, because again, you can change them for every holiday then, or whatever you want. But anyway, that is my small little Target haul. If you see anything out there that you think that I need, let me know. But anyway, happy hunting if you have not seen these items yet.